Hi, good evening everybody. Myself, Dr. Basuraju C, working as Professor in EC Department, Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore, is going to talk on a topic in DSP, that is DFT module, where I am showing you how to solve problems using DFT. Till now we have done 3 sessions, right? In my last session 1, 2, 3, right? We have talked why DSP subject is required and what is DFT and how to derive frequency domain samples from time domain and how to reconstruct back time domain signals from the processed samples. Now today we'll see how to solve problems using these derivations, DFT problems. How to get, right? They will give you, for example, compute 8-point DFT of a sequence. How to get, right, DFT for this time domain sequence x of n is equal to, let us say, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? For example, 8 sequences, 8 length sequences is going to give you, right? How to convert this time domain 8 length sequences as frequency domain samples. 8 samples I need, right? This syllabus is coming under VTU, under module 1 for 5th semester CEC students or any other branch students also, right? And this is all required to whom actually? Whoever are interested in BE, ME, PhD or signal processing domain, right? In companies, they are looking, right? In signal processing area, they need all this DFT. It is a very, very nice, popular topic. Now let us see the sum. First, write a DTS, discrete time sequence, given sequence, time domain sample, signals, x of n is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. N is 8. 8 sequences are there, right? Now you have to find 8 sample, frequency samples for this time domain signals. How to do? First write the formula as usual, right? First write DFT formula. DFT formula is given by, right, last class we derived now, x of k is equal to summations. Instead of 2 pi k by n, just write generalized x of k is equal to summations n is equal to 0 to n. N is 8, n minus 1 is 7. 0 to 7, x of n, your input sequence, this x of n is input sequence, into omega 8. Omega n is 8 to the power nk, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 7. When k is 0, if you solve x of 0, first sample you will get. When k is 1, second sample, expand this, substitute this, you will get second. When k is 2, third sample. When k is 4, fourth sample. When k is 5, like that, k is 7, 8th sample you will get. Last sample, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 samples you will get, 8 frequency samples. Now before doing this, x of n I know, this is the sequence. What is omega 8 power nk? Omega 8 power 0, omega 8 power 1, omega 8 power 2, omega 8 power 1, 2, 3, 4, all these I need. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, omega 8, Tweedle factors, all these values I want. How to calculate this Tweedle factor? It is very, very easy. First we should calculate. Omega 8 power 0 is nothing but to do calculations actually, to expand this formula. Omega 8 power 0 is nothing but e power minus j2 pi by n, n is 8, into 0, which is nothing but e power 0, which is equal to 1. Omega 8 power 0 is 1, first time. Then omega 8 power 1 is nothing, omega 8 power 1 is nothing but e power minus j2 pi by 8 to the power 1, which is nothing but pi by 4, e power minus j pi by 4, which is nothing but cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. Then simplify this, use a calculator, then cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus j sin 1 by root 2, that is j 1 by root 2. This is omega 8 power 1. Omega 8 power 2, similarly, e power minus j2 pi by n, that is 8. Then 2 into to the power square, 2 2 is 4, 4 by 8 is e power minus j pi by 2, which is nothing but cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is cos 90 is always 0, j sin 90 is 1, that is minus j. This is your omega 8 power 2. Similarly, omega 8 power 3, which is nothing but e power minus j2 pi by 8 to the power 3, which is equal to cos of 2 3s are 6. 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4 pi minus j sin pi by 4. Solve this, you will get minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Now, omega 8 power 0 to omega 8 power 3 you know, no? Don't calculate omega 8 power 4 to 4, 5, 6, 7. Just use a property. There is a technique here. Right? Trivial factor, use symmetry property. What is this says? Omega 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 2, 3. Then omega 8 power 4, 5, 6, 7 is nothing but exactly minus of opposite trivial factor. For example, omega 8 power 4 is nothing but minus of omega 8 power 0. What is omega 8 power 0? Already I know. It is nothing but minus 1. Is nothing but 1. Here it is there. It is 1 now. For example, omega 8 power 0 is 1 now. Minus of this is minus 1. Like that. For example, that is what omega 8 power 4. Omega 8 power 4 is equal to minus omega 8 power 0 using that minus 1, which is nothing but. Similarly, omega 8 power 5. Omega 8 power 5 is nothing but, see this, omega 8 power 5 is opposite of minus. Omega 8 power 5 is equal to minus omega 8 power 1. What is minus omega 8 power 1? 8 power 1 is already there. Right, 8 power 1 I already know. Minus of 1 by root 2, just add minus sign. Minus into minus plus j 1 by root 2. That's what this. Omega 8 power 5 is minus of omega 8 power 1. That is minus 1 by root 2. Minus into minus plus j 1 by root 2. Right. Similarly, omega 8 power 6. Omega 8 power 6 is easy. Minus omega 8 power. Omega 8 power 6 is minus omega 8 power 2. What is minus omega 8 power 2? Omega 8 power 2 is j minus j. That's what you will get. See, omega 8 power 2 is minus j. Minus j means omega 8 power 6 is minus of minus j is plus. That's what, see, minus omega 8 power 2 minus of minus j is plus j. That's what, actually minus of minus j is plus j. Right? Similarly, omega 8 power 7, last one, omega 8 power 7 is exactly opposite. Minus of omega 8 power 3, that is equal to minus of this. That you will get as 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. This is what first you should do. You should calculate omega 8 power 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 are just minus of 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, next is write a formula. Start the work actually. This is what basic work I need. Now start x of k formula. N is equal to 0 to 7 x of n omega 8 power nk. Where k is equal to 0 to 7. Now your input is this. Now substitute here. Expand this. X of k is equal to, expand this now. When n is 0, x0 into omega 8 power 0 into k is 0. 1. X of 0 is what actually? This is. X of 0 is 1. X of 1 is 1. X of 2 is 1. X of 3 is 1. But x4, 5, 6, 7 are zeros. Therefore, these 4 zeros. These 4 zeros, these 4 zeros. First 4 terms you get. X0 is 1. 1 into omega 8 power 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus x1. When n is 1, x1 into omega 8 power 1k. What is x1? x1 is 1. See this? 1 into omega 8 power 1k. Plus similarly x2. 1. x2 is 1. 1 into omega 8 power 2k. Right? Plus again x3. x3 is also 1. 1 into omega 8 power 3k. Then rest of the terms are x4, x5, x0, x4, x5, x6, x7 are 0. 0 into everything is 0. That's why 4 zeros. Therefore, in the end, you will get expressions as x of k in terms of k. X of k in terms of k. Right? For example, simplify this. 1 into 1 is 1. Omega 8 power 1k. Omega 8 power 2k. Omega 8 power 3k. All these zeros. Call these as equations 1. Where k is equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means when you solve this, you will get x of k in terms of k. Rest is mass now. When k is equal to 0, substitute here. x0, you will get first sample. When k is equal to 1, second sample. Here. When k is 2, third sample. K is 7, eighth sample. Now first, k is 0. x0 is equal to 1 plus omega 8 power 0. Omega 8 power 2 into 0 is 0. Omega 8 power 0, which is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4. Therefore, first sample is 4. That's what I am writing. X of k, first sample is 4. Frequent sample is 4. Similarly, k is equal to 1. Substitute in this formula. k is 1, x1 is equal to 1 plus omega 8 power 1k, 1 into 1, 1, omega 8 power 2 into 1 is 2, omega 8 power 3, that I am solving. Now see, rest is maths. 1 plus omega 8 power 1, omega 8 power 2, omega 8 power 3. What is omega 8 power 1? What is omega 8 power 2? What is omega 8 power 3? Just substitute from the right given things. From the already you have done, no? Solved. Right. What is omega 8 power 1? See this. Omega 8 power 1 is here. It is already done. Omega 8 power 1 is this. 1 by root 2 minus j1 by root 2. Just substitute. See this. Just substitute. 1 by root 2 minus j1 by root 2. Similarly, omega 8 power 2 is nothing but minus j. See this. Omega 8 power 2 is minus j. Substitute here. See this. Minus j. Omega 8 power 3 is minus 1 by root 2 minus j1 by root 2. Then simplify. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled. These two. 1 minus j into 1 by root 2 minus plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Which you solve, you'll get second sample as 1 minus 2.414j. That is what the second sample. First sample already over. Similarly, k is 2. Substitute. K is 2 here. K is 2. Then substitute here. There k2, k2, k2. You will get second sample as second sample as like this. Second x2 is equal to 1 plus omega 8 power 2, omega 8 power 4, omega 8 power 6. Solve this, you'll get 0. That is third sample is 0. Over. Similarly, when k is 4, k is 3. K is 3, 1 plus omega 8 power 3 is 6, 9 you will get. Now whenever you get for n is equal to 8, n is equal to 8, after 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then substitute in terms of 0 to 8 only, 0 to 7 only. If it is 8 to 15, then substitute 8 as 0, 9 as 1, omega 8 power 1, 10 as 8 power 2. That's what I am doing. Omega 8 power 9 is nothing but omega 8 power 9 is nothing but omega 8 power 1. Omega 8 power 8 is nothing but omega 8 power 0. Periodicity, right? Omega 8 power 10 is nothing but omega 8 power 2. Therefore, omega 8 power 9 I am getting now. Substitute using this periodicity property, substitute omega 8 power 1. Then write values, solve it, you will get 1 minus j1 by j.414. That you substitute. You will get fifth sample as 1 minus j.414. Similarly, k is equal to 4. Then solve this. 4, 8, 12. Solve this. Again use periodicity property 0. It is 8 power 12 is nothing but 8 power 12 is nothing but it is omega 8 power 4. That I am substituting. Solve this, you get 0. Therefore, your next sequence is 0. Then 6 sequence maybe. 6 sequence is x of 5 is equal to this sequence. 1 plus 8 power 5, 10, 15. Then do all these things, maths. Then you will get answer as 1 minus, substitute all that. Then 1 minus real plus imaginary, 2.414j. Therefore, your sixth sample is this. 1 plus j.414. Just reverse of this. Conjugate of this is this. 1 is 1. Minus j.414 is plus j.414. Then last one is 6. When k is 6, substitute here 8 power 6, 12, 18. Substitute all that, you will get 0. x6 is 0. Therefore, see this x6 0. Alternatively 0. 0, 0, 0. Last sequence. When k is 7, substitute here 7, 14, 21. Use periodicity property 7, 5, 5. Then solve this, you will get 1 plus j 2.414. That is what your last sequence. See this 1 plus j 2.414. It is exactly reverse conjugate of this. 1 minus j 2.414 plus j 2.414. That's all. Then you will get 8 all frequency samples. Therefore, a frequency sample, 8 point samples are x of k is equal to 4. 1 minus j 2.414 second samples. Third sample 0. Fourth sample 1 minus j 0.414. Fifth sample 0. 1 plus j 0.414 0. 1 plus j 2.414. That is how we can convert any 8 point time sequences into frequency. any time sequences into frequency quickly. We will give you once 8 sequences or 4 sequences. Then what you should do? Immediately write a formula, then derive and solve 8 to power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Then x of k formula you write first. Then try to get x of k in terms of k. This is very important. Then maths, substitute k is equal to 0 first sample, k is 1 second, k 2 third, k 7 8 samples. I hope I am clear. This is how I get all 8 samples. I hope I am clear. Next class, let me do, wait for the next video, let me do IDFT. DFT of any sequences is like this. Now reverse will do. How to get original signals back from the process signals, we'll see that. Before that, please see the video, learn and support this, Let me and wait for the next video. Definitely subscribe and support me, Then so that next I'll do all, Video number 5, where I am going to do IDFT, Exactly, The samples as inputs, frequency samples you take and try to get your original signals. 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. That is what next. Thank you.